Hello everyone, how are you all? Take care, be safe. So today I have come up with bottle art. Now I'm going to introduce you to the materials required. Basic requirement is a bottle, glass bottle, anything, any type of bottle. You can today I have taken ketchup bottle. You can use anything, but it should be well clean and there should not be any gum on it. Okay, nothing like that. Sticky part should not be there. That's it. It should be very clean. Then another one is the spray paint. I've taken golden color. You can use any color. This is available in fancy stores or even the stationery shop. And nylon thread. I've taken nylon thread. You can use coir thread also. And this is also available in the fancy store or even in the stationery shop. And Fevicol or scissors, waste cloth to dab the extra gum coming out, and brush to brush the Fevicol brush. And this is something new for you all. We are using rice here, or you can use even pulses also instead of rice. You can use pulses like the cereals, anything. This is for sticking. I'll show you when the procedures are done. So let's move on. Now I've divided the artwork into two. That is, this part it will be rice. I'll put the rice here. I'll stick the rice here, and this part I'm going to wind this nylon thread. Now this, because it is nylon, I have just tied up at the I have tied this thread at the top part, and then I'll be winding it like this. So before winding, we have to spread the Fevicol on this bottle and brush it up neatly. Wind. So now we have come to the end of this winding part. Here I'll be cutting the thread, and then what I'll do is I'll put a drop of Fevikwik here just to so that it will stay permanently. Otherwise Fevicol sometimes is not dependable at the tips and all, so it's better to put a drop of Fevikwik. Hold the bottle properly. It should not touch the ground, that's it. And what we are going to do is we are going to spread the Fevicol like here all around the bottle, and then we are going to sprinkle the rice. You can put rice, grains, anything, okay, as you wish, because we'll be doing something else also on the top of that rice. Rice, dals, everything you can use. Now see, this is not the end part. Now I have sprinkled rice all around the bottle. Some rice beads are bound to fall down, so after this, now 2 or 3 times we have to do the same. Means first time when we do, we have to keep it for drying. Then wherever it's not there, whichever has fallen down, that part we have to choose it. Again we have to put the Fevicol very slowly. We have to lift the bottle like this, and then we have to put like that 2-3 times. We may have to do it, and we have to fill up all this blank space. Then I'll tell you the next part. Now let's wait for till it dries up again. After that we'll. Now the rice beads are stuck onto the bottle. So the next step is to spray the spray paint. Before that, I have just covered the top part with a plain sheet of paper, because otherwise when we spray it may go to that thread also. So in order to just keep it safe, I have covered it with the paper. After spray painting, look at the result. See how vibrant and colorful this has become. Without spending much money, you can make a beautiful flowers. See, I've made it from a ketchup bottle. You can also do the same, or you can use any other bottles and make it very colorful like this. So please do give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please do comment, subscribe, and give the encouragement. Thank you. ഒരു ഗ്ലാസ് വെള്ളം തരാൻ വന്ന എനിക്ക് ഇനി വർത്താനം പറയണ്ട, ദാഹിച്ചും കൊണ്ട് തൊണ്ടേ ശരിയില്ല. ഇനി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ എനിക്ക് ഹെൽപ്പ് വേണം. നൂല് പിടിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ നൂല് എങ്ങനെ വലിക്കും ഞാൻ? I have sprinkled rice around the around in പകരം വേറൊരു വേർഡ് പറയാം.